Okay, everybody, I'm doing this recording a little early because there's not a lot going on as far as the setup right now, but there are some things I want you to be aware of. Right now, support is building down here at 2.0536, and resistance is building up here at about 2.0680. So we have a very narrow band where the market is trading, and it's formed this pennant pattern over the last 3 trading sessions. Let me go up to a daily bar here and show you a little bit more of what I mean. We have some serious compression going on where the market had some big range days over here, and now look at how far this range has come down. The U.S. stock market is doing the same thing. There's just a lot of compression going on, and we have to be ready for a break, I think, one way or the other. Again, I don't like to try and guess where the market's going to go. I like to look for the signs. Okay, so here's the sign. The sign is the pennant pattern. This is telling us that the market players are positioning themselves. There's nothing on the face of the planet, unless you have some kind of industrial espionage or you're a spy, that you're going to know what direction these people are trading for. So we don't know if they're long, we don't know if they're short. All we can see is that they are active. Now that we know that they're active, we have to ready ourselves. What I'm going to be looking for is the market to break out and form the trusty pennant pattern, possibly flag pattern coming back here into support, which will be resistance if the market breaks to the downside, or waiting for the market to break up, forming a pennant pattern to the downside, or possibly a flag pattern to the downside. Either way, I want to wait for the market to form up. I want to wait for the market to tip its hand and show me that it's ready to move. Now, one thing to consider as well is that if the market does get into this area, we have a significant amount of resistance up here. I mean, look at how many days tried to push through this level and just couldn't get going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days where the market struggled to break through. Finally, it breaks through, and what happens the very next day? Boom! Falls right back down, and now we have 3 more days where the market is having trouble penetrating to the upside. All of this is pointing to a bearish move for the pound. However, don't get ahead of yourself. Don't think you can second guess the market or get ahead of the market. Wait until things form up. It'll probably happen over the next couple of days. We've got a lot of news coming out from the U.S. and over tomorrow's session and the next session after that. So keep your powder dry and just stay ready.